Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Polestar app for energy insights and charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the Polestar app downloaded on your mobile device. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Polestar app by tapping on its icon. On the welcome screen, locate the login button. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Polestar account. Next, tap on the next button to move forward. Now, enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your password, tap on the Login button. Wait a moment as the app processes your login request. Once successful, you will be directed to the home screen of the app. From here, you can access energy insights and charging features. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Make sure your device is connected to the internet for a smooth login experience. Now you are ready to explore the features of the Polestar app. Enjoy accessing your energy insights and managing your charging options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.